By clicking on this video, I will tell you, or you will learn, why the six-pack you can see now is bullshit. They tend to walk like this, chest a bit down, closing in order to contract and get the six packs. And most of the time, work a bit more like this, side to side. And I will explain you why they walk side to side and why it's not optimal at all. And I will also tell you what is, to me, a strong core that is optimal for the everyday life and to protect your back and to be more functional. And what I mean by neutral spine is a spine that is not rounded or too extended from the lordosis or kyphosis rounded here. It's a spine that can just stand here and have an optimal rotation, an optimal side bending, an optimal flexion and extension. And I strongly believe that breathing is key here. I will show you how I activate my abdominals core with a neutral spine, where I don't need to close here in order to fill my abdominals. And this is a lot about breathing. It's all about breathing. Think about it. When you lift something, how many times you pay attention to it? You're like, you use the breathing. The breathing, your diaphragm, is a supportive muscle for the structure and the spine as well. Why don't you use it? Why don't you practice it when you do your training in order to do the things outside on your everyday life? I'll show you again the TVA. I've done exercise before, and if you want to work on that, I'll put the link that should be popping somewhere here. I want you to pay attention on my thoracic cage here, that the ribs flaring in and out, and how I will activate the TVA. Then I'll be able, once this is here, to be able to move sideways or rotate with a belt around my back and my lumbar spine that is supporting me. And I will breathe into it. If you pay attention and look at the breathing here, I'll be able to contract this TVA, transverse abdominis, and the core, and also breathe into it so that you see the back, my back expanding as well. So what I'm telling you is that now I can be optimally with the optimal spine, and I feel my core already. This allows me to feel my back here as well. I have more control over my back, meaning that if I want to pull something and start a rotation, I can have a nice rotation with the core activated, where I'm not gonna move or compensate with my lower back with a lack of mobility on my thoracic cage. That's another topic for later. What I want to really tell you is that going like this and try to get your six pack, it looks good on the beach. The six pack, though, the position like this, I don't think it looks very nice and very masculine, but that's my opinion. If you want to go more functional and power, use your breathing, use your TVA, and get the spine in a neutral position. Again, I'm not trying to spit on people that work on their core and try to look good. I respect the people that make the time to go to the gym. That's for sure. Respect to that. If you want to make the time, make your time extremely more valuable for yourself and do something in the gym that helps you outside of the gym, this is the tip I have for you. I've put the link of the video about the breathing, and try to always be conscious and try to understand what you're doing at the gym. Extremely crucial and key to make the most of your time. If this video was helpful and beneficial, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you want to support me and support the video, there's a link below for a free coffee for myself. Keep it up, take care, and see you in the next video.